Hello everybody, welcome to Ruby Falcon. Today we're going to be making Mike's Meat in Ya Buns. Yes, the name was chosen specifically as a joke to break one of my friends, plus it went with a bit of a theme I had going on at the time. It's summer, it's hot, that means barbecue, grill, hamburgers, hot dogs, all those kinds of things. Mike's Meat in Ya Buns is my personal recipe for a homemade hamburger patty. Let's take a look at what we're going to need to make it, alright? To make Mike's Meat in Ya Buns, we're going to need a pound, that's 500 grams, of extra lean ground beef. We're going to need 1 large egg, a quarter cup of cornflakes, that's 60 milliliters. We're going to need 2 tablespoons, that's 30 milliliters, of barbecue sauce, 2 teaspoons, that's 10 milliliters, of Worcestershire sauce. We're going to use salt, pepper, garlic, coriander, cumin, and basil. Obviously, there's some room here to personalize it to your tastes. If you like a different kind of barbecue sauce, use a different kind of barbecue sauce. If you can't access extra lean ground beef, use lean or just regular ground beef. Though do keep in mind that the less lean your ground beef is, the more fat is going to burn and melt away as you cook it. So therefore your volume is going to be a lot less. Add your ground beef to a large mixing bowl. Crack in your egg. Crush your cornflakes into the bowl. Add your 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. Add your 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Add your salt. Add your pepper. Add your garlic. Coriander, cumin, and basil. Go ahead and mix it all together. And divide into portions. I like to divide it into 3, but you can divide it into 4 if that suits your appetite better. Take your portions and flatten them into a patty. At this point, cook them however you like. I like doing them on the grill, but you can do it in a frying pan or in the oven, whatever works best for you. You want to make sure it's cooked all the way through though. There you have them, perfectly grilled, topped with a little bit of medium cheddar. You can serve these with whatever toppings you like. Here's my picks. Add some ketchup. Some yellow mustard. Some mayonnaise. A leaf of lettuce. Some tomato. Some yellow onion. And some pickle. add Mike's meat in your bun. And there you have a delicious homemade burger. And there you have it. That's how you get Mike's meat in your buns. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. If you enjoyed this, you can click up here to subscribe, and down here is something that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think that you'll enjoy for my channel. If it catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you next time.